we go for the air now? Oh no, you stopped, so that's good. Oop.
So we are heading over to Quick Shifter Cafe in Wells for two reasons. One of which is we are doing a shakedown on the bike, because when you see this we're probably only a couple of weeks away from our European tour, which is over to Holland, Germany, oh not Luxembourg, we might do Luxembourg, but Belgium, France and back home, including the Mosel Valley, and hopefully a visit to Nürburgring, even though we can't ride the Nürburgring, which is devastating because they've banned bikes, and a quick visit to the Spa circuit in Belgium. So we're just doing a shakedown test to make sure that, you know, all the equipment we've got and everything else is tight and not rattling and there's no issues. We don't want to get to the day before we go, start putting bags on and find that there's an issue with the locking mechanisms. We're giving ourselves a shakedown because we haven't ridden two up since last summer, I don't think. And secondly, we are testing the two wireless mics, which frustratingly Karen now is probably going to keep completely quiet because she doesn't want to talk on the camera or on the video.
Yep.
So hopefully that came out. If it did, the mics are working and we're all good. Because what I'm hoping to do is go with this, which is the Insta360 fitted to the bike, instead of having the camera mounted to the front of the helmet, which means we can have the dual vlog going on with the audio. But not only that, it reduces an awful lot of weight and pressure on the neck over long distances, which the camera and everything else adds. So what we'll do, we're going to head over to Wells now, and then we'll catch up with you when we're there, and I'll talk about some of the tips and tricks that we do on our little European vacations on the bike, and things that you may think that's a great idea and you'll use it next time you go.
Oh shit, I forgot to put the shirts out on the line. Car boot day, isn't it?
Oh god, yeah. Oh, it's this bridge though, isn't it? I've got a single biker behind us. If he wants to go past, he can go past.
I can hear him actually.
No, he's not interested. He's not concentrating. Well, he wasn't concentrating on me anyway, so I'm sure he is concentrating.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm in the wrong lane. That's alright, I'll just jump in front of this one.
I'm gonna have to move back.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that is an awesome Ducati flag.
It is actually, isn't it?
I love that. Why is that there? Well, apparently it's here somewhere.
What is it?
It's called Quick Shifter Cafe.
I did see some bikes up there.
Oh no, I think this might be it.
This is what I saw. This is what I saw. Oh, I'm not getting off in front of everyone.
No, I know. I'm going to have to spin it around now, I think. Is there anywhere to park up there? I don't know. there's a Ducati show on. That's amazing. I love it.
Ducati 2025 road show. Oh, there we go, round the corners. Perfect.
What, you want to stop there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're here at the Quick Shifter Cafe in Wells. Wow, that's awesome. That's beautiful. Just wanted to very quickly go through with you the packing situation we've got on this shakedown test that we've done. So we've got obviously the top box, nice big top box. This is big enough to take 2 full face helmets in. So ideally we keep this relatively clear, just with a rucksack of daily stuff that we need. And then when we do stop somewhere, we can take the rucksack out, put the helmets in. It makes it an awful lot easier to get around. We've got the 2 large capacity Ducati side panniers. Karen's got the largest one. We're going away for 7 days, so she needs 14 pairs of shoes, 7 bathing suits, and at least 2 different outfit options per evening. And then I've got the small one, because all I need is 1 pair of pants, 2 pairs of socks, a t-shirt, and a pair of Converse Daps. Job done. I don't know if you can see it, but if not, I'll put a bit more of a photo on there for you. But I've got 2 side bags which I've attached to the crash bars on the side, and in those we've got our waterproofs, because what we found last year was we put the waterproofs in here, and they take up an awful lot of space.
Couldn't get my cuckoo clock in.
Couldn't get the cuckoo clock in. Well, we did eventually, but we had to strap the waterproofs to the outside. So yeah, we did get the cuckoo clock in. So so that's why we've got those panniers on the side, or bags on the side, and that's going to make an awful lot of difference when it comes to having available capacity in the top box. We've obviously got the tank bag, which is ideal for your important stuff like your passports, tickets, wallets, all the things that you need, but you need to make sure that it's easy to get on and off, so that when you stop somewhere you can take it with you, and be nice and secure. And on this I've got the tank lock system, which locks in with that onto a ring that's on the tank, clicks in place, and it's fitted and job done. One thing that I do, and I'm not sure if Karen does it, but instead of taking all your best stuff on a trip with you, take stuff that is your old stuff, because when you're on a bike no one sees it, and then as the holiday or the trip goes on, you can just throw it away. That's what I do with all my old socks. Just take 7 pairs of socks, old socks, and then at the end of each day, instead of packing them up dirty, I just throw them in the bin. And then as you go along, your bags get lighter, which means more space to buy stuff and bring back, like
cuckoo clocks
and Starbucks mugs and all sorts of things that we buy.
More t-shirts.
So, and more t-shirts. We are going to Ducati Cologne as well, which is cool. Just for a stop off, because that's on the way. So yeah, that's pretty well. Yeah, we are. So yes, that's pretty much how we pack our stuff. We're going to head back home now. Oh, we are trying the leg bag, which is ideal for things like glasses and wallets and things like that. It makes it nice and easy instead of having to keep a handbag in the top box, again saving space. So that's pretty much that. We're going to set off now and make our way back to Weston.
Oh, you want me to go?
Yeah, I'm done now. Sorry, did I bang your knee then?
No. Gosh, the seat's warm.
Yeah. All right. Okay, love?
Okay.
Okay, one thing that will be changing for this trip is that currently I've got the Aiuchi Android Auto sat-nav system fitted, they've actually been in touch with me and said they've got a new version they want to send me to test, which comes with wireless blind spot detection, which I think is going to be an excellent addition to any motorbike, especially in today's modern world with the busy roads and busy traffic that we have, and also assists when you're driving on the wrong side of the road, which we will be in Europe. So I'll be fitting that and testing it, and hopefully that'll be working throughout the trip through Belgium and Germany and Holland. He should have onions around his neck.
Yeah, yes, he should. God, I haven't been out on the bike that long. My God. Lost, love. I don't know where I am.
Oh, this is top of Burrington Combe. That's Burrington Combe Terminal. This is that new junction.
Right.
You'll know now in a sec.
You know, I know this area this road quite well, as in the back roads.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the new bit.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. I think it put me off because the television mast we were closer to than normal.
It's not your right of way, love. Oh. The speed she was going, you think she could have looked forward a bit. Oh God, come on, this woman's dangerous. She doesn't know what, well, I assume it's a woman. Might not be. No, I assumed it was just a woman's car, innit? Little.
Stop talking.
Okay.